She's like, cover my ass back up.
Hey, girl.
Alright, okay, you back up. There. You like the heater? She is not happy. We're emptying the water from the ice that melted from the cooler. We have to repack the car because we just destroyed it yesterday. So it's about 5:30 now. We are here at Badger Flats. We're setting up camp. We just went and bought some chairs because we realized we didn't have chairs on our first night out, so we needed some chairs. So there's already this fire pit here, so we decided to park here. There's our tent. We don't have to sleep all crooked tonight. Yay!
Yay.
We found flat ground. Boy Scout here's making me a fire. Boy Scout of how many years? And his dad was troop master?
Mm-hmm.
So let's see
what
what
is
you
this,
got.
a test or something?
Yeah, we're seeing if you can do it. Innovation at its finest. So we got chicken noodle soup and a fire. The sun's going down, so we'll probably have to see you guys in the morning. But Adam did pretty good on his fire. What do you guys think?
I told you I could do it. I was embarrassed at first because I was like, I didn't have any fire starter fluid. And the kindling wasn't working. But I found some hairspray.
So smart. He did a good job. We just filled up our shower, our solar shower. Now we're going to go hang it up. We're going to hang it right here on this tree because there's a lot of sun on this tree. But we're probably going to move it later once we take showers.
I have a feeling that's not going to hold.
Looks like it's ripping, like it's going to rip it.
That's what I'm saying.
We didn't even fill it all the way out. I guess it's holding.
I'll probably just put it out in this field, huh? Or it'll definitely get hot. Way too much. You work way too much. Let me see. It says as shown.
We decided to go on a little drive around to see which way we want to head if we go hiking later. It's 8:43 in the morning. We've already ate breakfast, brushed our teeth. Now we're just going to go on a little ride to see where we want to walk later. We're thinking probably toward this mountain over here, but we're not sure exactly how far it is. So we're a little lazy and don't want to have to walk so far if it's not something we can walk to. So we're going to drive down here first. Morelli's loving it. Wrong way. Oh. Woo. our showers. I got our towels. I got our clothes. Adam's got the water. And I got the rest of the stuff in the backpack. Now off on our trek to the middle of nowhere so no one will show up on a dirt bike. Hopefully. Okay, so we found our spot. Adam has to walk all the way back because we forgot the shower head nozzle thing. So our campsite's way over there. You can like see it. It's like right there. But it's pretty secluded back here. So we have rocks covering one side. And then quite a bit of trees covering the other side. Someone could drive by, but more than likely they're not going to. I'm nasty as crap. My hair's gross. So I haven't really wanted to be on camera much today. Oh, it's disgusting. It's so greasy. So I'm excited for my shower. We're all showered up now. Let me show you guys. We didn't even use all of our water.
Nowhere near all of it.
No. I mean, we were trying to be quick. But we still got probably, what, 2 gallons? A gallon and a half, maybe? I left the water out of 5. So I think we did a good job.
The water was actually really warm. It felt really good.
The water was warm, but the freaking wind was cold. No one drove by the whole time we were out here. Well, someone drove by on a 4-wheeler way over there. But there's no way that they could see us over here. I can't even see our tent really right now.
Yeah, there's
Where's
no
our
trails
tent?
that comes over here.
Right there, back there. That's where our tent's at. So we can't even see our tent, and they drove on the other side of our tent. So this is a good place to shower. I think we'll be back here. Oh yeah, we're gonna wash our face with what water we have left over, but tonight's our last night camping here. So we got our firewood. We're probably gonna go just chill, smoke, and enjoy the view while we still have it.
Showering naked in the woods sounds sketchy, but it's not.
It was actually pretty nice.
It was actually really nice.
I felt one with nature.